Hi, good evening. By the way, my name is Gabriel Duran and I'm proudly represent Butuan City, Agusan del Norte.
Hi, my name is Sanicito Bainosa Aguiliana Jr. and I'm proudly representing Negros Oriental.
Hi everyone, my name is Bimbo Taykay Sapalon, representing Cotabato City.
Actually, ang saya at ang saya for myself na naging parte ako ng ganitong patimpalak, and it's my privilege. I think the reason why I'm joined this pageant is again to boost my confidence na dating nawala, no. And I'm very very happy right now dahil may mga taong sumusuporta, kaibigan ko, family and my co-workers, no. Ang saya kasi meron sila. So again, this pageant is not only for myself but also for the people who need my help and also my advocacy regarding of overall health. What do you mean by overall health? Focus and physical, mental and spiritual, kasi yung health hindi lang yan. Kaya sa ganitong advocacy, ganito ako naging the best version for myself. At yun, this is my reason. Kaya sumali ako, isa na yun.
Why did I join this competition? Actually, this is my second time. I am just come back because it is my passion. I love what I'm doing. I love showing my talent through other people, influencing them to be a good and a better person also. And of course, as what they said, if you love your passion and if you're fulfilling it, it's like a dream come true. That's why I'm here, because this is my passion and I want to fulfill it. That's all.
Hi everyone, I joined MIPH to gain additional experience and to learn new knowledge. As the saying goes, experience is the best teacher. And apart from that, another purpose of joining this competition is to bring my advocacy into international platform, so that my voice will not be comprised in one person, but throughout the lands and entire nation. So that's it. Thank you.
Speaking advocacy, kayo ano yung mga advocacy? If speaking of advocacy ako is advocate ako ng about health, no. Naniniwala ako health is wealth. So isa yan sa purpose ko. Now is gusto kong i-widen ang lahat na health is not all about physical. It's all about mental and spiritual, kasi kailangan lahat eh. Kailangan yan eh. Napaka-importante niyan na alam natin, especially sa OFW, na hindi lang natin alagaan yung katawan natin, pati yung mental health natin, especially kumonekta tayo kang God. Isa yan sa pinaka-purpose at para mag-survive tayo dito. So, overall health, that's my advocacy.
Ako naman, it's all about education. Since when I joined this kind of industry, the pageantry industry, yung purpose ko talaga or yung pinaka advocacy ko talaga is all about education, because para sa akin kasi through education we can help to address the causes of poverty, at saka syempre pag edukado kang tao, mas makakaroon ka ng mas magandang trabaho, at if kung mayroon kang magandang trabaho, makakatulong ka rin para sa ibang tao. Kaya para sa akin kasi education is the most powerful weapon that you can use to change the world.
Akin naman po is anti-bullying, since marami pong tayong na-experience dito, like for example, mga kababayan natin dito sa Riyadh na talagang nabibiktima ng mga anti-bullying, mga nagbubully sa mga kapwa natin Pilipino. So gusto ko pong i-showcase, ipakita sa kanila na tigilan na natin at laban lang tayo. So yun lang po. Thank you.
So, papalapit na yung mga project. Ano nang pinaghahanda? Anong pinaghahanda? For now, no, for myself, no, ang preparation ko is especially is my physique, personal, no. and knowledge also. May mga kunting, kasi time management ang hirap ng schedule kasi OFW tayo, kailangan natin i-balance lahat. So you need to give your best in your job, at the same time i-balance mo po yung workout. So time management, at the same time focus on health sa physique. Yun, kasi importante din yan. Ready ka physically and emotionally. Thank you!
Para po sa akin, siguro yung preparation ko. To be honest since nag-start tong competition na to, wala pa po ako masyadong preparation. Pero win-workout ko po yung, at saka lagi ko pong pinapractice yung communication skills ko po. Kasi doon po ako medyo mahina Doon po yun po yung wala sa akin. So, I'm trying my best. Lagi pa akong nagbabasa ng mga articles at saka nanonood ng mga nagko-Q&A sa mga pageants. Kaya para at least kahit pa paano makakuha po ako ng idea. So, yun lang po.
Ako naman po, same with Anesito po. Communication skills po kasi medyo mahina tayo dyan. Pero sana may improve pa po. At may mga taong handang tumulong sa akin just to improve my communication skills when it comes to question and answer portion. And also, may physique po, my body, so kailangan po medyo manly tayo and maganda yung postura natin. So yun lang po, maraming salamat.
So anything na gusto nyo i-promote? Okay guys! What's up? So, kung gusto nyo kumain ng masasarap na pagkain, just go in Shurupat Park, Saraka. Doon po ako nagtatrabaho. So, gusto nyo ng masarap na pagkain at ako yung nagluluto. Visit lang po kayo diyan, guys. Then again, to our sponsor also, sa mga brands na nagko-coordinate sa MIPH. So, salamat at sana suportahan nyo din siya kasi kung ano ang nangyari sa akin ngayon, ginagamit ko po sila. Ayan!
Yung sa akin naman po, gusto ko lang pong pasalamatan ng lahat ng mga generous sponsors natin. Hindi ko po sila may isa-isa pero gusto ko lang pong i-highlights tong si RPL, Fabcare, at saka syempre si Arayat Bus. Tapos Kuis Grill at sa lahat pa pong mga sumusuporta sa Mr. International Filipino Community of Kingdom Saudi Arabia.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga sponsors namin. Na-mention ni Sir Anesito. So maraming salamat.
Guys, manood po kayo ng malaking event at siguro madaming natutulungan na platform ngayon. Itong MIPH. Hana manood kayo guys kasi napaka-competitive ng lahat ng mga candidates at sino-showcase nila ang different spirit, confidence, and generosity in this event. So makikita nyo dyan lahat naggawa-gawapuhan at nagbabaitan. So see you!
Okay guys, kita-kits tayo sa November 15, 2024. Hindi lang kaming tatlo ang makikita nyo, kundi mas marami pa. Kaya see you there at saka available pa rin po yung mga tickets namin. Pwede po kayo mag-PM sa amin. Pero ako po muna, si JR Giliena. J-R Giliena sa Facebook po. Mag-PM lang po kayo sa akin para sa ticket. At kung bumili kayo ng ticket sa akin, may free mug po kayo. At pag bumili rin kayo ng perfume sa akin, may free mug din po kayo na may picture ko. Kaya sige guys, suportahan nyo kami ha. Salamat!
Once again, this is Bimbo Tekay Sapalon representing Cotabato City.
And this is Anisito Bainosa Galiena Jr., Negros Oriental.
And this is Gabriel F. Duran from Butuan City, Agusan del Norte. So, November 15, 2024, please support MIPH.